Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. For that you have to go to your Facebook app. I'll just press on Facebook and now our home page is opened. On the top right there you can see a 3-line button. You have to click on that, and again at the top right you can see settings button. Beside of search button you have to click on that. As you can see, lots of options for our Facebook security, and on second you can see password and security. We have to click on that, and now you can see here change password. You have to click on that. You have to click on that to change your password. You can see here 3 options: current password, new password, and retype new password. In current password you have to press your old password, and in new password you have to enter your new password which you are going to replace the older password. I will type my new password here now. And in retype new password option you have to again retype your new password which you are going to replace to the older password, and after that you have to click on update password, and you can see here log out of other devices. So while changing your password you can be logged in into your other devices which you can be logged in on other devices. So for that you can check by clicking on review other devices, or you can just click on stay logged in, which means you have given permission. I'll just click on stay logged in and click on continue. So yeah, our password is changed now. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.